Welcome back to my channel. In this we will see how to find what are the rules for divisibility test. That means whether the given number is divisible, okay, or not by these prime numbers. Okay, so what is the rule for this? So we'll see examples for 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 20, which are the prime numbers, and we should know whether it is divisible, how it is divisible. So let's take first 2. So divisibility rule for 2. Okay, so for 2, whether the given number is divisible by 2, what you have to check means unit place. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, all this number, that is the given number. 0 from 0 to, so 0, 2, 4, 6, if it is there, then it is divisible by 2. Example, so 254, units place 4, so it is divisible by 2. You can divide by 2 and find out the prime factor. Similarly, second one, divisibility rule for 3. Okay, how to check for 3? So 3, first you should take sum of the digits, and what you get, that should be divisible by 3. Okay, sum of the digits. Example, suppose 361, you have to add 3, that is 3 plus 6 plus 1, 3 plus 6 plus 1, which is equals to 10. So 10 is it divisible by 3? No, so it is not divisible. Okay, so this is a rule. Similarly, if you take 360, then you will get 3 plus 6 plus 0, okay, which is 9, so it is divisible by 3. Okay, so this is how we test for 3. Even 9 also same process. Okay, sum of the digits if you add, and if it is divisible by 9, it is divisible. So same rule method is for 3 and 9. Then divisibility rule for 5. How to check for 5? So units place should be 0 or 5. Okay, so if it is 0, because in 5 table you see, so 5 ones are 5, 5 2s 10, 5 3s 15, 5 4s 20. So only you will say 0 or 5. Okay, so units place, if you have 0 and 5, then it is divisible by 5. Okay, so that is the message. Similarly, divisibility rule for 7. So this is little bit tricky. Okay, so units place you take, okay, give a number and double that number, then that number you subtract with the remaining numbers. Okay, so we'll see an example. Then if that number is divisible, then the given number is divisible by this thing. So example, okay, so if you take example 378, so units place 8, so double that. Okay, if you double 8 into 2, you will get 16. So 16 you subtract from this remaining numbers. Okay, subtract with the remaining numbers. So 8 you leave, so 7, so 7 6 you will get 1, 3 1 you get 21. So 21 is divisible by 7. Okay, so if it is 21 is divisible by, so hence it is divisible by 7. So this 378 is divisible by, so that is a rule. So for divisibility test, you have to check the take the units place, multiply it, and whatever you get, you subtract from this remaining. Okay, so subtract with the remaining, then this number what you get. If suppose you are getting more number, let's repeat the steps. Okay, again multiply 1 with double it, so you will get 1 into 1. Okay, so similarly you do, still you get divisibility test. Okay, next is divisibility test for 23. Okay, so 23, okay, same, first multiply the units place, by 7, then you add to the remaining numbers, repeat until you get the small number. So say this 1702, so take this 2 and multiply with that 7, always with 7, so 2 into 7, which is 14. That is divisibility test for 23. So this 14, okay, you add to the remaining digits, so remaining digits is 170, so 170, so for that you add this 14, so you will get 4, 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 so 184 you got. Okay, so again you do the same thing. So because 184 is big number, same repeat, still you get small number. So 4 you multiply with 7, 7 4s 28, so 28 you add to 18, so you'll get 46. Check 46 is divisible by 7. Okay, so if it is divisible, then the given number is divisible by 23. Sorry, that is 23 into 2 is 46. So hence this 1723 is divisible by 23. Okay, so next, what is the divisibility rule for 4? Okay, so 4 first two digits should be divisible. Okay, any number you take, these 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Okay, so 244 you take, so since it is divisible by 4, you can get. Okay, what is the divisibility rule for 6? 6 means if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then you will get divisibility test for 6. Okay, so divisibility rule for 8. Okay, so if it is divisible by 4 and 2, you will get 8. Okay, so these are not so important. So this is the divisibility rule for 9. Same, sum of the digits, if it is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible. Same like 3. So 1 2 6, so 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9, so this is divisible by 9. So divisibility rule test for 11. Okay, so same, sum of alternate digits you add, okay, separately, then differentiate, then take the difference, that is odd places and even places. If we get 0, then it is divisible by 12. Say example 121. Okay, so alternate is 1 and 1, so 1 and 1 is 2 and 2, take out the difference, so difference is 0, so difference of this is 0, hence this is divisible by 11. Okay, let it be any number, you have to take the alternate digits, add those digits and this. Okay, so these are the rules. Okay, you have to follow, you have to remember this. And because for finding out the prime factors, you should know what is the divisibility rule for the prime numbers. So it will be easy for you when you are taking out the prime factors for finding out the HCF and LCM on the next topic. Okay, so this you have to remember. Okay, so that it is easy for you for doing the division. Okay, so for finding out the prime factors using prime factorization method. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you have any topic under this divisibility test, okay, you can comment in this. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in another continuous video of HCF and LCM, which are these basics, okay, to find out the LCM and HCF, which is an important question for the main 10th exam. Thank you.